How to fix Snapchat no matching credential message. So first of all you have to long press on your Snapchat app. Then you will find option called app info over here. So now you have to click on it. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on this storage and cache option. Now you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find option called clear cache. So now you have to click on clear cache, and after that you have to go back, and now you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called force stop. So now you have to click on force stop, and now you have to force stop your Snapchat. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone again, and now you have to open your Play Store, and then you have to click on the search bar, and now you have to search for Snapchat, and after that you will have an interface like this, and now you have to update your Snapchat to the latest version, and now you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and after that you have to reset your phone first of all, and now you have to open your Snapchat, and that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.